Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the office of Markez Films. Yeah, that's right. So I've been waiting so long for making a video like this, a room tour. So let's go ahead and let me show you. So here right at the door I have a poster of Doom, 2016 Doom. And this is the door, the main entrance, of course. And here I have some art from my brother, and this one is when I went to see his Avengers Endgame poster. Another art drawings from my brother, and I have these wallpaper. It's a sky wallpaper. So it's been very useful, very practical for my videos. Here I have my mic stand because sometimes I record cover videos. That computer is there because I have no other place to place it, and I'm selling it. Here I have another light, and here's my traveling bag. Use it for my clothes or my gear. And on this table, well, right now I have a bunch of stuff, gear and cables, computers, charging. But right here on this table, I do my green screen shots. I place the green cardboard, the blue paper, and I sit in here and just connect the light, everything that I'm gonna need, and I just start shooting. In here I have this board where I manage my schedule, everything that I need to do. There's another drawing from my brother, a poster of guitars. The one that I have is the white one, and some other stuff that I want to get rid of, like for example this train. And here I have some other stuff, stuff from my work, stop motion, the rigs, they are right there, clay, the wires, chargers. There's another poster from Avengers Infinity War. And right here I have all the stuff, for example the tripods, mini tripods, the rigs. In here I store the action figures that I'm working on, and here all the light bulbs. So this is one of my cube seatings, which I store more stuff inside. And this is my desk. So this is a very old desk. I need to change it. I need a new one because as well my new computer, it's a big computer, so it doesn't fit in here. So yeah, this is my desk. This is the headphones that I use so I can concentrate on editing the videos. Here are storage USBs, more cables. And here is more junk. More stuff, mics, cables, more cables for days. The chair, it's very uncomfortable. I need a new chair. And this is here I have a window, so outside just the car of my wife, my car as well. Here I have a calendar with Bible verses. This for each day. This drawing that my brother did, he got second place. Another art from one of my nephews when I reached the 10,000 subscribers. In this shelf I have, this is where I store my Godzillas, King Kong, and some other stuff that I don't even know what is up there. And here on the top of the shelf, the first one on top, I have the Marvel Legends that I just work on, the previous Marvel Legends, so I just put them in there. And here I have some other books. I want to start creating my comic book, my bookshelf, and all of that. And here I have my 3 favorite villains and some other collectibles. I just installed lights, so let me just turn this one off, and there it is. I just installed this little light so I can have a little bit of lighting. And here I have the play button. Hey, what's up? The Markez Films play button. There it is. Like as well for this one, my wife did this one when I reached the 10,000 subscribers. On this other one, I'm continuing the collections all the latest Marvel Legend that has been coming out lately. So the light is pretty good. The one that I'm missing is for the one below. I need a light for this part, so I'm going to be installing a new light soon. So that's my shelf right behind my desk, and on this closet I have storage. This is like a storage room where I keep all my props, all the buildings, all the grass from Wakanda, all the camera, filming, photography stuff. This is my bag for my cables, camera, mics, all that stuff when I travel. And here in that corner I storage my guitars. Right now I just have that one in there. And here I have this bag. I have all the 375 inches action figures and some other work in progress. And this shelf, and these boxes, plastic boxes, I storage all the arms, hands, extra heads, everything replaceable. And on this next one I storage all the weapons, all the guns, everything. This one, all the gadget accessories like clothes. This other one I storage all the little props. And this next one I storage all the furniture, tables, chairs, stoves. So like I said, in here I have all the buildings, and inside of these boxes I have even more stuff inside of the boxes, so I get to manage everything. So because it's a lot of stuff. And as well up there and way down there I have even more stuff. Yeah, this is like my closet, and the best part of the room is this right here. Is everything, all my collection, everything that I've been collecting so far since I started the channel. In here is all Markez Films legacy, all the action figures, everything from years ago, a long time ago. So here is, I just as well installed light, but looks like some of them are running low on batteries. But yeah, I have all of this, all of my collection. It's been years since I've been collecting these Marvel Legends, and I'm very happy with my collection. Almost every figure on this shelf I have used it on my video, and the ones that I have not used it, I have already plans for those toys. And some more art from our anniversary, me and my wife, there I am, and some other stuff. So yeah, it's not that big of a room, it's not that very special, it's just small room, but I get to thank God because of this space. I finally get to have my own office, my own space, because back then I didn't have a space for myself, for my work, for my stuff. So even though that is not that big, but I thank God that I have a place for my own, and this video will be saved in memory for another video that I'm gonna be making for another bigger office. So thank you guys for coming in here in my office. Thank you guys for watching this video, and thank you so much for the support. So see you guys very soon. Ciao.